Hi friends, today I'll come with another new project. The project name Bike e-Catalog mobile application. So by using this application, we can easily make a complaint of our bike when we have missed our bike. So when thieves are theft our bikes, so at that time we can track our bike locations, and police they can easily take over our complaint details. And nowadays more number of customer will visit daily at sale points and service points, serving the information of details of the bike details is very big deal with the more number of customers, so we'll visit the stores. So to overcome that problem, we are developing a bike e-catalog mobile app. So by using this application, the visitor they directly scan the QR code. While scanning the QR code, then the customers will view all the bike information like engine rate, something, all the bike details will, while scanning the QR code they'll get all the bike details. Okay, so which available bike visitor can get all the details related to the bike directly on in his mobile. Okay, when I'm scanning the QR code, he will get all the bike related details in his mobile. So by to overcome that problem, we are implementing this all application. And in this application we are using uh, two modules. We can go to that three modules like admin and user and police. Here admin act like a complete owner of this application. Those who are using our application, that peoples we call like users. And those who are accepting the complaints of the bikes, we can call like police. Okay, so these are the three modules in our application. So now I go for the admin module. So when I am clicking this admin button, I'll get they give a option set for login. If I'm giving the registration option for the administrator, here everyone can register in this application. Why? Because of this is a global application, so everyone can register and everyone can act like an admin. So every company or every organization and every application, they have only the one owner, one authority. So if you are providing the like registration option for the authority, everyone act like authority. All the authorities can access their user details, can access their police details, can access their all the bike details. So to overcome that problem, here we are not providing the login option, they directly will provide the login. So those who are act like authority, that peoples only can knows the username and password. So now I'm act like authority, so that reason I'm here I'm trying to log in the username. I'm giving some random password. You're showing like invalid login details. If you entered the username and password, these both details are correct, then only admin authority have the permission to log into their home page. So the username, if the username is incorrect, then only will notify that invalid login details. Now I'm giving the username like invalid, then it will show like invalid login details. So if we enter the both username and password is correct, then only we entered into the authority homepage. So if the login is success, then only we'll enter into the admin homepage. So we'll get pop-up like welcome admin home. So after enter into the admin homepage, admin will do some of the operations in this application. The operations we call like add vehicle, add police, scan and logout. Okay, sometimes authority also can scan the bike detail, can scan the bikes, right? So that is an we get option like scans. So here we add the vehicles and police details. This application will work for the those who are maintaining the bikes or vehicle organizations. So this application will be useful for those peoples only. Okay, so when I am clicking add vehicle, so here the add vehicles can added by the administrator only. So no one can add this vehicle details. So why? Because of so authority peoples only knows the which bikes are available in their organization. So reason this option will be added by these details will be added by the authority only. Now we give like a under owner, bike owner name like Shravani, vehicle number registration date, engine number, fuel type, marker type, chassis number, and bike type. Price. So details already exist. So based on these numbers, so details already exist. So that is an, so this is the that added bike details. Okay, so if you want to click here to say allow, now this image will be stored in your personal gallery. Check your mobile storage. Okay, so the next option like add police. So if you will give the registration option for the police also, if if they are not police, then only they have the permission to act like a police. Or reason here admin can add the police details like station name, Pocharam, password, phone number, email ID, address, add. Police added, success. If we want to scan the bike details, we can scan that pictures. So now I'll go to check my personal storage files, internal storage. Look, Wednesday, August. No. So this is our bike QR code. So now this one I can share to some other people to file for scanning. So this is the admin module. So now I go for police. Our station name, the based on the admin added details, the police will be login. Submit. So that police can scan the bikes, police can view the complaint. Still based on this Pocharam station, no one complaints are available. Log out. Now we go for the user module. So for accessing this application, first user need to register name, Anu, password and phone number. And email, address. So registration success. So based on the registration details, their login. Mhm. So user can scan, user can make a complaint, user can view complaint details. The complaint details like bike theft, description, some randomly some text. Category means station details. I'm selecting like Pocharam station. So my complaint making success. When I'm clicking my view complaints, so complaint status is still pending. So that complaint will be accepted by the police. So which station? Only Pocharam station only can accept that complaint, because of he will send, you select the Pocharam station only, like station name, password, view complaints. Look, you can click accept and reject. If you want to accept this complaint, you can click on accept. If you want to reject this complaint, you can click on reject. So I'm clicking accept. So now the status is processing. Status is processing. This status can notify to the user also. If you view my complaints, look, pending to the status will be changed to processing. So after processing, if the police will get that bike details, they know about the bike details. If we have if we can close the complaint also. Look, view complaints, close the list. So if the bike is found, we can close the complaint details. The status will be notified to the user also. View my complaint. Look, status first status is pending, second status is processing, the final status is closed. So like that we can process the complaints also. So when I'm clicking the scan button, it will go to the our camera. Look, I'm clicking the scan option. I'm scanning the QR code. Look, all my bike details I'll get here. Bike number, owner name, registration date, chassis number, fuel type, engine number, like this. All the we can scan the click on the scan, we'll get the bike details. So this is our complete application.